It's impossible to get this shot without spending at least $5,100 until today. Let me explain why. If you shoot underwater with the 360 camera, you quickly run into a problem: refraction. So what did camera manufacturers do? They created dive cases for us that let us stitch a fully spherical 360 photo or video underwater. The only problem? They have a vagina. Now there are professional dive cases that look like fish bowls. They have a better looking nadir, but they're bigger, bulkier, and a lot more expensive. This one, for example, is the original 360 bubble. The nadir looks decent, but it costs 200 British pounds. And this one is a more advanced version of the 360 bubble, and it has an even better looking nadir with just a little bit of a reflection, but it costs 600 British pounds. And their most advanced version that looks totally invisible, that's 4,000 British pounds or $5,100. Now, here comes Insta360 with their invisible dive case for the X3. Check it out. It looks totally invisible. And it's so much more compact. Alright, so what's the damage? How much does it cost? $99! I can't believe it. I mean, at that price, it's a no-brainer. If you're at all into underwater shooting, this is a must-have accessory. I mean, even if you didn't have an X3, it would totally make sense to buy an X3 just to be able to use this dive case, because it looks so amazing. So congratulations, I just saved you $4,500. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in 360.